Good morning. So our topic is calculation involving significant figures. So in this topic we will be learning how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide. Okay, numbers means using these significant figures. Okay, so our topic is calculations involving significant figures. So we have to study some rules. Okay, so first rule is for this rule is for addition and division, addition and subtraction, of significant figures. So the first rule is if the addition or subtraction if the addition or subtraction is to be carried out if the addition or subtraction is to be carried out, then the final result is reported up to the same number of decimal places, okay, as are present in the term having the least number of decimal places. Okay, the statement is a little bit complex. Okay, but try to understand. Okay, it is very easy. I am repeating the statement, and it is if the addition or subtraction is to be carried out, we are adding or subtracting. Okay, so if the addition or subtraction is carried out, then after addition or subtraction, the final result, okay, which whatever will be the final result, okay, it will be reported up to the same number of decimal places, as are present in the term having the least number of decimal places. Just don't lose patience. Okay, I am giving you one example and it will be very clear to you. Okay, so you have to add 456.25. okay, it is also 4. Okay, like this, and you have to add this with plus 4.62. Getting it? To add this, okay, to this means right here 456.254, okay, plus 4.62 means 4.62. Now perform the addition. It will be 4, it will be equal to 7, it will be 8.10, 6, and it will be 5. Getting it? Okay, we added two numbers. Okay, now what we have to do, just check the numbers. Okay, check the numbers here after decimal. Okay, here after decimal 1 2 3 three digits are present. Okay, and here after decimal 1 and 2 just two digits are present. Getting the difference? In this after decimal 3 digits are present, and here only 2 digits are present. Okay, so after the addition, the result we are having is 560.874. But according to the rule, this rule, okay, our answer should be 560.87. Getting it? Now come to the statement. If the addition or subtraction is to be carried out, we are adding, okay, so addition is carrying out here, then the final result, this final result, okay, final result is reported up to the same number of decimal places as are present in the term having the least number of decimal places. So we have two terms. In this term only after decimal 2 digits are present, here 3 digits are present. So according to the rule, okay, which is having least number of decimal places, the term having least number of decimal places will be our answer. Okay, so in this we can say this term is having only two digits or 2 decimal places. Okay, so our answer, we will be reporting our answer, okay, up to only 2 digits. So this 4, okay, we will not consider, we will consider only up to 8 7, means after decimal 1 and 2 places we are taking. Take one more example. Suppose this is 572.9234 and we have to subtract 7, sorry, say it is 401 point, it is 52. Okay, we have to subtract this from this. Okay, so perform the subtraction. It will be 4 3 0 4 1 7 1. Got it? So after subtraction, okay, this is the result, but we have to report this result, okay, in according to the term having the least number of decimal we say places. Okay, so in this term after decimal 4 digits are present, and in this term after decimal only 2 digits are present. So this is having least decimal places. So our answer, okay, after decimal we will consider only two, okay, places. So our answer will be 171.40. okay, this will be our answer, and this is the rule. I hope you have understood. Okay, now come to multiplication and division. Okay, so I am going to rub this. Rule for multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Okay, and the rule is, when multiplication or division is to be carried out when multiplication or division is to be carried out, then we report our final result up to the significant figure up to the same number of significant figure up to the same number of significant figures as are present in the term having the least number of significant figure. Okay, come to the statement once again. The statement is, when multiplication or division, this time we are going to perform multiplication and division. So the statement is, when multiplication or division is to be carried out, then we report our final result as we were reporting in case of addition and subtraction. Okay, so the report we are going to report, okay, the result we are going to report, okay, final result, okay, is reported up to the same number of significant figures as are present in the term having the least number of significant figures. Again, statement appears to be complicated, okay, but I am giving you one example, and it will become very clear to you. Suppose it is 5.321, and you have to multiply this with say it is 3 point, say it is 5. Okay, you have to multiply 5.321 by 3.1. What you have to do is simply find out the significant figures. Okay, so in first term, significant figure is, now you are able to count significant figure. I have told you. So this is the significant figure, non-zero, 5. 3 is non-zero significant, 2 is non-zero significant, 1 is non-zero significant. So it is what? 4 significant figures. Okay. And in this case, 3 is non-zero, so significant, 5 is non-zero, so significant. So in this case, 2 significant figure is present. Okay, 2 significant. So here 4 significant figure, here 2 significant. So the term having the least number of significant figure. So this is the term out of these two term. This is the term 3.5, okay, which is having least number of significant figure, which is equal to 2. Got this statement? Okay. Now multiply these two. So it will be 5.321 multiplied by 3.5. It will be 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, plus 1 16, 5 5 ja 25, plus 1 26. Now it is 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 5 ja 15. 5, 3, 12, 16, 8, and it is 1. So decimal will be 3 plus 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 18.6235. Okay, is the result obtained after multiplication. But according to the law, according to the rule, okay, we have to report this final result, okay, up to the significant figure, okay, which is present, means up to the significant figure, okay, which is same as in the term having the least significant figure. So this is having 4 significant figure, this is having 2 significant figure, so 2 is the least significant figure. Okay, so in final answer we will consider, okay, only 2 significant figures. Getting this? Okay, means if it is in this 4 significant figure was there, in this 2 significant figure is there, so in our final answer, okay, we will report our answer up to 2 significant figures. So it will be what? It will be equal to 18. It will be equal to 18 because 1 plus 1, 2 significant figure is present here. Getting me? Getting the rule? Answer is 18.6235, but we have to write only 18 because if we will write 18.6235, then there will be 6 significant figures. Okay, there will be 6 significant figures, but we have to write, okay, according to the rule, we have to write only up to 2 significant figure. Okay, means the significant figure which is present, means the term which is having least number of significant figure, we have to write only up to that significant figure. So when multiplication or division is to be carried out, then we report our final result up to the same number of significant figures as are present in the term having the least number of significant figures. Take one more example. Say this time is division, and it is division of 1 1 to 5, 12.5, division of 12.5 by say it is say it is 20, make it easy, say it is 1250 upon 25. Okay, so in 1250 significant figure is 3. This is not a significant figure, so there are 3 significant figure, and here 2 significant figure. So this is the term having least number of significant figure, which is 2, means our final answer, in our final answer we will report our final answer up to 2 significant figure. Okay, so just divide this. It will be equal to 500. Okay, sorry, so it is 6 to 5 upon 2.5. okay, so it will be like this, and divide this. Our answer is equal to 50. Okay, so in 50 we can say only one significant figure is present there. If it is 50, then this 5 is significant, but this 0 is insignificant. So to make this significant, to make we say answer we have to make in 2 significant figures. So what we have to do is, okay, 50.0, and it will be our answer. Here it is 2 significant figure is present. Okay, now just come to rounding off. Okay, so it is rule for rounding off. Rule for rounding off. Rule 1. Okay, rule for rounding off, and it is rule number 1. Rule number 1 is, if after the desired, like write this, if digit after digit coming after if digit coming after the desired, if the digit coming after the desired digit is greater than 5, then we, if the digit coming after the desired digit is greater than 5, then we increase the preceding number by 1. If the digit coming after the desired digit is greater than 5, then we increase the preceding number by 1. Okay, what does this mean? Take one example. It is say 2.626. Okay, and we have to write up to 3 significant figures. We have to write this result, okay, up to 3 significant figures. Getting? We have a number 2.626, okay, and we have to write this number up to 3 significant figures only. Up to 3 significant figures only. Here significant figure is 4. Okay, we have to write this up to 3 significant figure only. So what we have to do, we have to, means our desired digit will be this one. Okay, our desired digit will be up to this, means we have to remove this 4th digit because we have to write up to 3 significant figure. So 3 significant figure will be up to this place. Okay, so our desired digit is up to this only. So now come to the rule. If the digit coming after the desired digit, our desired digit is 2, up to 2 is our desired digit. So if the digit coming after the desired digit is greater than 5, here it is 6, greater than 5, okay, then we increase the preceding number by 1. So preceding number is 2 and you have to increase this by 1, means you have to add here 1. So this will be equal to 2.6 and 2 plus 1, 3. Now significant figure you count 1, 2, 3. It is our answer. Okay. Take one more example. Round off say up to 4 significant figure. Question is round off up to 4 significant figure. This is question, okay, and it is written here 9.632, say it is 8. Okay, so question is what? Round off up to 4 significant figures only. So we have to write only 4 significant figure. So 1, 2, 3, 4 up to this is our desired digit. Okay, up to 2 is our desired digit. Getting it? So come to the statement. If the digit coming after the desired digit, means after desired digit 2, okay, is greater than 5, here it is 8, which is greater than 5, okay, then we increase the preceding number by 1. So preceding number is 2 again here, so we will increase it by 1, so it will become 9.633. Question is to write up to 4 significant figure, 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figure, okay, and this is the rule. Okay, come to next rule. Next rule is if the digit coming after the desired digit is, it is rule number 2. It is rule number 2, and rule number 2 is if the digit coming after the desired digit is greater, instead of greater it is lesser. Okay, getting the difference? In first statement I told you is greater than 5, this time I am writing here lesser than 5. Then we means this time we will simply ignore, so we will write if the digit coming after the desired digit is lesser than 5, then we I'm writing this. Then we ignore this digit, okay, or in bracket no change is performed on the preceding number. Preceding digit. Getting? If the digit coming after the desired digit is lesser than 5, then we ignore this digit, means no change is performed on the preceding digit. Again, I am giving you some example. If the question is round off up to 5 significant figure, okay, and you have given one is 53.672, okay, up to 5 now, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, right here something else 4, so 1 2 3 4 5, and right here lesser than 5, say it is 4. Second is 4 to 6.273, okay. So significant figure here is 6, and significant figure here is also 6, and we have to round off up to 5 significant figure. So 6 significant figure is present in the question, and we have to make it 5 significant figure. So what we will do, it is 53.672. Now our desired digit will be what? Up to this 4, 1 2 3 4 5, up to this, okay, it is our desired digit, 5 significant figure. So if the digit coming after the desired digit, after this 4, okay, is lesser than 5, 4 here it is lesser than 5, okay, then we ignore this, simply we have to ignore this, okay, or no change is performed on the preceding digit. So you will simply write 53.674 here, and this is your answer, 1 2 3 4 5 significant figure, okay. In the same way, our desired digit is up to this 5 significant figure, 1 2 3 4 5, and this is less than 5, so we will ignore this, and it will be equal to 4 to 6.27, 1 2 3 4 5 significant figure, and it is our answer. Okay, now come to the third rule. Third rule is okay. If the digit coming after the desired digit is equal to 5, is equal to 5. Okay, then rule number A, okay, getting the statement, if the digit coming after the desired digit is equal to 5, then we have to follow two rule. Rule number A is digit, if the digit preceding to this 5, okay, to the digit 5, is odd, then increase it by 1. If the digit preceding to the digit 5 is odd, then increase it by 1. And B is if the digit, okay, preceding to, if the digit preceding to the digit 5 is even, then no change is performed. Okay, so we will understand it by one example. Let it be a round off up to 4 significant figure. Question is a round up to 4 significant figures. Okay, one is 4 to 1 point or 4.21, it is say 75, 1 2 3 4, okay, and second is 4.21, if it is 65. Okay, so two question is there, and in these two question we have to round off these up to 4 significant figures, So in this question 4.2175, 5 significant figure is present. Okay, here 5 significant figure is present, and here again 5 significant figure is present. Our desired digit is up to 4 significant figure, means up to 7, and here up to 6, because we have to write in 4 significant figures. So our desired digit here is 7. So after desired digit it is coming 5, and I told you two rule. Okay, if the digit preceding to the digit 5, here it is 7. Okay, here it is 7 is odd, 7 is odd, then increase it by 1. So this time what we have to do is we will simply add plus 1 to this, then it will become 4.21 and 7 plus 8, 1 2 3 4 significant figure. Okay, and this time desired digit is up to this 6, and after this 5 is coming, and rule B says if the digit preceding to the digit 5 is even, then no change is performed. So we are not going to add or subtract anything. So what we will do, we will simply write this 4.216 and it will be our answer. 1 2 3 4 significant figure, 1 2 3 4 significant figure. So I hope you have understood these concepts. Okay, so these were some concepts, okay, based on the rounding off. So we will be solving some questions. Okay, I'm going to rub this. Question is, calculate proper significant figures. Calculate proper significant figure. It is 12.6. A is 12.6 into 11.2. B is 108 divided by 7.2. Got it? So multiply these two number. Okay, 12.6 into 11.2. It will be 12, 5, and then it is 2, 1 to 6. Then it is again 1 to 6, 2, 11, 11, 4, 1, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 1, 2. Decimal will be present here. Okay. So this is the question. Okay, and it is multiplication of two number. So we have to simply what we have to do, we have to after multiply we have to write the final result. Okay, and check in this, after decimal point one digit is present, after decimal point we say one digit is present. So our answer will be 1.141.1. okay, because in both cases we can see, okay, after decimal only one digit is present, so our answer should be reported in the same way. Okay, so it will be 14.1 instead of 14.12. okay, in the same way you can calculate this. Okay, so do this by yourself. Okay, now next question is 0.0856 0.02856 into 298.15 into 0.112 divided by 0.5785. Okay, so here after decimal 2 to 4 5 digit is coming, here it is only 2 digit is coming, and here it is 3 digit is coming. Okay, and here again 4 digit is coming. So whatever your answer will be, in that after decimal only 2 digit will be present. Okay, so simplify this. Okay, and write the answer in after decimal only two digits. Okay, now round off. It is a round of up to 3 digits, round up to 3 significant figures, 3 significant figures. Okay, so question is, A is 34.216, B is 10.4107, 10.4107, C is 0.0459 97, and D is 2808. Okay, 2.08, sorry, 2.808. Okay, okay. So just round off up to 3 significant figure. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 significant figure we have to make. Okay, up to 3 means 1 2 3. Our desired digit is 2. Okay, and after our desired digit we can see it is 1 less than 5, so no change will be taking place, so it will be 34.2. Our answer is 34.2. it is our answer. In second case, you can see 1 2 3, and after this desired digit 1 is present, so no change will take place. It will be 10.4. Okay, 3 significant figure is present here. Now here significant figure is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we have to make it as it is 0.0459 and round off up to 3 significant figure. Okay, so we will say 0.04, 3 significant figures, so 0.45. So this is our desired digit, so 5, it is 9 greater than 5, so we will say 0.460. Okay, then it is 2.808. Okay, so we will write here 2.8, it is greater than 5, 1. Okay, so in our next video we will be discussing about laws of chemical combination. Okay, thank you.